This video is a screencast walkthrough of how to create a Google Form escape room. So once you've finished making your puzzles, whether it is going to be in Google Slides or it's in Google Documents and it's just a master copy of your puzzles, you're ready to create your actual escape room. So you're going to start by going to Google, and then you're going to sign in. And go ahead and click on the waffle if you're already signed in, and you should look for Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to click the plus button that says New, find Google Forms, and create a blank quiz. Next, we're going to set up general settings so you can name your quiz, and you can also put a description to your quiz, whether you want your students to follow along via Google Slides or actual clues throughout the classroom. This is where you can put the information. So because we decided to start this Google form as a quiz, it will already default to make this a quiz, which is important because this will allow you to add points to each of the clues. All the rest of the settings that you see here will be dependent on what it is that you want the outcome to be for the activity. So now we are going to create our first clue. So to do this, you're going to create your first section within a Google form. If there isn't already one there, click the two-bar icon on the right to add a new section. Each question in your Google Forms escape room will be in its own section. So title the section with the appropriate puzzle number. For this example, I will do puzzle number 1. You're going to select to add a question and choose the short answer from the drop-down menu. There are actually 11 question types to choose from, but an open text answer type is best at replicating an actual escape room experience. However, this doesn't limit you from using any of the other options. In this step, you will input the answer key for the clue, as well as a point value. You can also use the response validation if your clue has more than one answer. Make sure you mark all other answers incorrect, because this will prevent students from moving forward. You also have the option to add answer feedback. I know in an actual escape room, there isn't much feedback given to a code that doesn't work. However, depending on your students, in this case, you have the option. By doing so, you just click Add Answer Feedback, and a window will appear. Add appropriate feedback for guidance. You can include special media such as a link or a video, and then you're going to click Save. So for the remainder of your clues, you're going to repeat steps 5 through 8. And to do this, go ahead and just click the plus sign and add a different section. As you look over each section that you complete, make sure that you have it known as required, that the students must complete it. At the bottom of each section, it'll say after section blank. The option is to continue to the next section. The second to last step is to preview the quiz to ensure your codes are correct. So to preview this, select the icon that says preview, and a new browser tab will appear to preview the escape room quiz. So when you're ready to send out your form, you can click on the purple button that says send, and you have the option to send it as email, link, or embedding it into a site. You can email this out to your students, or an easier option is just to use that link. You can hyperlink it, turn that link into a QR code, and paste that QR code somewhere visible in your room, or you can even embed this into your own personal teacher site.